In today's video, I'm going to be doing an Instagram slime tutorial for Glitter.Slimes, SnoopSlimes, and also AudeezSlimes, and I really hope that you enjoy it. First up, we have Honey Maple Goo from AudeezSlimes, and this is one of my favourite slimes I've ever received, and it's actually quite a simple recipe to make at home. So our base is going to be some clear glue, and then we're going to go in with a red and green food dye, and this is the pairing I recommend because even though this slime is brown, it has super reddy undertones, so if you add a brown dye, then it's very hard to then achieve that red undertone. Once all the colours were mixed in, I just went in with my spatula, mixed it all up, and then added some borax activator. And for this, we're going to need half a teaspoon of borax in 2 cups of warm water, and this is because it's clear glue, and I also recommend leaving it a tiny bit sticky because I always find that clear glue hardens over the time you leave it, so you do want to knead it just to get out the strings and then leave it for a couple of days, and it should become super clear like this. As you can see, mine isn't super thick like hers, and I think what she must do is overactivate her slimes and then leave them to melt a bit because they are so thick and so clicky. But as you can see, the colour and the appearance is very similar, and it has a really nice sound and feel to it. Next up, we have Tricks for Kids by Glitter.Slimes, and this slime has been one of those ones I wanted to try for so long. For this, we're just going to need 5 pumps of foaming hand wash, 7 pumps of lotion, 3 pumps of foaming face wash, and then just to stir it all together. And this creates a super nice, thick and clicky, glossy base. And when you stir it all in, it should become really creamy. And when it reaches this stage, we can then go with our borax activator and pull everything together. We do want to leave it slightly sticky so the foam beads that we're going to put in can stick. And like you can see, I literally ripped it out when it was gooey and just gross, and then when you knead it together, it pulls together really quickly and it becomes an actual slime. Then we just want to add our foam beads, and these need to be big foam beads. It's a really important thing, and it makes the slime super crunchy and nice. I have wanted to recreate Detox Water for the longest time, but I couldn't find any cheap thermo beads, but Amazon currently have like 2,000 pieces for like £3, so if you're looking for some, that's where you need to go. This base is really simple to make. All we're going to need is some clear glue and borax activator, and I added a tiny bit, and you just need to keep stirring it. You really don't need much activator at all. Then we just need to let it sit for like a week to get it super clear, and then we can just go with our thermo slices, and this is so much that I put in. I thought it was going to be way less when it was mixed into the slime, so I recommend adding half a pack and then leaving it to sit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on Wednesday.